Alright, this exercise shows you how to do tremolo bursts. Now, tremolo bursts add attack to your notes. For example, I'll show you how this sounds playing something normal. So it's really just a 3-stroke pattern over one note that you're playing. This could be a quarter note, could be an 8th note, could be a 16th note. So it needs to be fast, and you need to develop that. Now the stroke pattern is down, up, down. So you need to slowly start playing tremolo bursts. Now usually the emphasis is on all 3 of the strokes, but really there's a bit more weight on the last downstroke. That's where the beat is. So whatever note you're playing this on, it has to be on that emphasis, the last stroke that you're playing where the emphasis is. Alright, now you will learn how to add attack to the beginning of a phrase using a tremolo burst. So you want to start this phrase with the tremolo burst, and then the next note that happens, you can either play it with a downstroke or an upstroke. You can practice both ways. So I first want you to practice this exercise playing the following stroke of a tremolo burst with an upstroke, like so. So the first 2 measures are in 2/4 time. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and we're using our second finger and first finger for notes C and E.